up, YouTube? I am back, and before y'all start, I know it's been a minute. It's been a good 3 weeks and counting, so I apologize in advance, but I have been super busy. I've been trying to stay focused. Today is Friday, May 19th. This video was done May 7th, so don't feel like I neglected y'all. I did not. I just been super busy, and I really didn't have time to do my voiceovers and stuff like that. I had an exam I had to do. I just finished my first semester of college. Yeah, and then I had a whole nother exam for a whole nother program I was taking. And once again, my son is in the background wanting to be heard. So I'm gonna hand the mic to him and see if he has anything to say really quick. What you got to say? Okay, he ain't got too much to say. But anywho, so this video is going to be about how I did my ponytail, baby. I did my own ponytail for my birthday. I had went to a brunch. My birthday was May 12th, but I had my brunch May 7th. And I'm going to put a clip in right here. Honey, it was given, okay? Look at that ponytail. I was just the whole outfit, the whole everything. But anywho, all right, so off camera I did flat iron my hair. I didn't over flat iron it, but I did hot comb the roots really good. At least in the front for sure. The back is still kind of puffy, but I didn't want to add too much heat. I'm trying to learn how to retain length and not like overheat my hair. So wow. All right, anywho, I had a moment for a second. But anyway, yes, I'm not trying to put too much heat on my hair because I'm trying to retain my length. And honey, if you know, it took a long time for me to grow this hair back. My son helped me out for sure. But yes, so I put my hair into 3 sections. Let me start first. How do I know how to do a ponytail? I actually took a class when I moved back home to Chicago. Back in 2019, I believe I took a class. Yeah, so I took a ponytail class. I really wanted to do ponytails for a reason. I'm the type of person that like I feel like I gotta do a lot of things just to know how to do this, do that, do that, do this, do that. Like I'm very multi-talented. I'm sorry, that's what I was trying to say. But yeah, so you want to do the foundation of your ponytail, which is always the back. And y'all see I was trying to get the little knit naps to make them look like, some fake baby hairs in the back, because the naps is real in the back. I'm just going to let y'all know. Y'all already see it, but the naps is really real in the back. So this spray is actually at the beauty supply store. I will put the actual name of the spray in the description box below. But as you can see, all you have to do is spray the area that you're trying to comb out. You use a Rattail Comb. Sometimes people use brushes, but the brush basically will pull your hair out if you're not careful. But I did spray the Spritz. It's a certain type of Spritz that you can get from your local beauty supply store if you are living in Chicago. I'm not sure if they have it anywhere else, but I know in Chicago that they do have it. But once again, I'll put it in the description box below. So once you spray, you comb it out, as good as you can with it being in the ponytail, and then you use the blow dryer, and you can kind of see once you keep blow drying it, see how I'm spraying it. Once you keep blow drying it, it'll stay still. Like you'll get the stiff hard ponytail, not even hard, but the mold ponytail look that you're trying to achieve. So yeah, really this video is self-explanatory. I explain like how the entire process is gonna be. So that's what I did majority of the time. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned. Well, keep watching. Okay, so I did want you guys to know that once you have molded your ponytail, you can take the rubber band out or the scrunchie, whatever you're using. I usually use a scrunchie first, and then once I molded my ponytail how I wanted it to be, and it's like pretty sleek and like that, I take a rubber band like you saw, and then I secure it with the rubber band because I know I'm done with the ponytail. But I always prefer that you use a scrunchie, you know, first, so you can keep on, just in case you make errors and have to keep on taking the ponytail down. You want to just go ahead and use a scrunchie versus constantly using a rubber band and stuff like that. Now we're on the front, and what I do is I take it section by section, and you can see that I'm trying to get super, super close to my roots so my front can be as sleek as possible. And that's what I'm going to do throughout the entire process on both sides of this ponytail. And there I go using a brush, but I'm only really using it just to sleek down the front of my hair. And you see my child running in the back. But yeah, so that's what I do. Okay, so this is the issue that happens when you do your own hair. You see, I missed a whole piece on one side. So this little middle piece, but I fixed it. It probably didn't look right, but I did my own hair, so I don't really care. The front really was all that mattered to me. But that's the perks of when you do your own hair and you have no one, you know, behind you kind of like helping you out and looking and seeing things that you can't see. But it's okay. I molded this side down, and then I went on ahead and I added another rubber band to this ponytail. I think total 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rubber bands total on this ponytail, but it wasn't extreme, you know, extremely too tight. It really wasn't even tight at all. Well, it was tight, but it wasn't like excruciating pain type. So yeah, I just basically molded that little piece that wanted to stick out. So yeah. Okay, so your girl is done. Period. Finito. I did my own ponytail. Y'all can't tell me shit. Little celebration ate a little grape, you know. But so now we are on to the baby hairs. Yeah, my baby hairs were fire. Okay. But what I basically did was I just flat ironed with a super small flat iron. I curled them, and yeah, it was giving after that. It was really giving after that. So I'm gonna just let the video explain itself, and then I'm just gonna put in clips because I actually had a makeup appointment that I didn't want to be late to, and I'm gonna put like basically clips so you guys can see, you know, how everything turned out, the outfit, the hair, and stuff like that. Now the braid, chill, ignore that braid, okay? Because I ain't saying I'm like the best, but you know, your girl did what she had to do for her birthday. In the year 29, I wanted to do everything by myself on my own. I wanted to do my own hair. Now for my actual birthday, I did do my own hair and my own makeup. I'm gonna put that clip in there too, just so y'all can see. But I did want to show you guys that. Cause who? Cause motherfucking who? Period. Baby, I'm just amazed at it myself. So yeah, I will put some clips in once I went to go get my makeup done, stuff like that. But once again, thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys in another video, and I will make another video. Thanks for always tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next week.